90% of people who start an online business do it with the goal of achieving freedom. This means not having to work for a boss, being able to travel the world, work from anywhere, etc. And I'm the same. I initially started my agency so I could avoid going to college and achieve my dream life in the long run. I didn't think that in just 1 to 2 years, I would be able to travel on my own for over a month, experience some crazy shit, and get closer and closer to my dream life. I wanted to make this video to talk about what my goal is currently with my life, how I'm going to achieve that with my online business, and also give you some perspectives that might serve you if you're on a similar journey. You know, building an online business, striving for more freedom, etc. So to give you context on my journey, it all started when I got into this space of business and finance on YouTube. And I started watching videos about how to make money online, how to invest your money, etc. This was probably when I was 12 years old, around that time, when I actually started understanding English videos. Because when I learned English, that whole world of how to make money online, content about how to improve yourself, make money, etc. just opened up for me, and it was crazy. And for the next couple of years, I started many side hustles and businesses, but nothing really stuck with me, except one business model, which was freelance video editing. So I started out as a freelance video editor when I just turned 16. And at that point, my only goal was to make enough of an income for myself to be able to avoid going to college and avoid that traditional 9-to-5 lifestyle. I started getting decent results, and pretty quickly I was making around the same money as most of these 9-to-5 employees make in my country. But obviously I was doing it as a freelancer, totally remotely, totally online. So basically my goal was achieved. I didn't need to go to college, but the thing is that I wanted more. I had much bigger goals. So I decided to transition into a completely new model, an agency model. And that's when I started my YouTube agency, which I'm running currently. My first revenue goal with my agency was to hit 5K per month. I was able to hit it in around 6 months since starting. And in terms of a long-term goal, my main vision was to become someone who's earning multiple 6 figures online. So I could travel anywhere I want, do whatever I want, and live a completely free and elite lifestyle. And that's where I'm at today. That's the goal that I'm working towards right now. But I made some pretty nice progress over the last couple of months, and it really feels like that I'm on the right path. One topic I wanted to talk about in this video is why I think that online business is the perfect vessel to create an elite lifestyle where you have complete freedom over your time, your location, etc. Because if you ask most people, most of them have the goal of becoming financially free and achieving that sort of, dream lifestyle of not having to work all day, being able to travel anywhere you want, etc. But compared to that, a much smaller percentage of people actually pursues online business, which I think is really stupid. If you think about it, there's no better way to achieve that lifestyle than online business. Sure, we can build traditional businesses, scale them up, and then potentially sell it and then invest the money, but it's much more complicated. On the other hand, you can just scale an online business to 5K, 10K, 20K per month, and you're already living a really nice lifestyle. When I learned about this whole world of online business and making money online when I was, as I said, 12 years old, 13 years old maybe, I was just completely mind blown, and I was wide awake too. I knew that this is what I wanted to do, and I also knew that in order to achieve my goals, this is the easiest path. Now, as I mentioned, when starting my business, my goal was first of all to avoid college, which I achieved relatively fast. And also my other goal was going abroad, being able to travel for long periods of time without having to worry about money or anything else. And I was able to tap into this goal and into this lifestyle first this summer, where I went to Spain for over a month. And this was the first time I was abroad for that big period of time without my family, without anyone I knew. And I really got to experience how this digital nomad lifestyle works. I was able to try it out, experience the pros, experience the cons. And it was just an experience I feel helped me grow a lot. I learned a lot of new things about myself. I also met a lot of new people, and I also experienced the bad and the dark side of this whole digital nomad lifestyle, this online business lifestyle, which I also think is super important because I might be speaking really positively about this whole freedom lifestyle, this online business lifestyle. But as everything in life, it has its negatives and its cons, and it's really important to know about them. For example, if you don't have a strict routine, it can be really hard to have a structure overall in your life, especially when you go traveling to a new place. It's really easy to feel overwhelmed and not knowing exactly what to do because you're really out of your comfort zone. You are far away from your home. But I feel when you learn how to adapt and how to create a structure for yourself in this new life, in this new environment, you will grow a lot as a person. And that's exactly what I experienced. So my new goals right now is to scale my business even further, hit 20K per month, and then scale beyond that as well. And then just travel more, experience more cultures, more countries, more travels like this that I did in this summer, and just try to leverage this opportunity that I created for myself where I can make money online. I can make much more than an average people makes in a country like this, and just really get the most out of it. I know this video was kind of all over the place and it was also a bit more personal, but I still hope that you got some interesting perspectives out of this. Down below you can find the link to my YouTube agency, and if you're an online business owner, we might be able to help you out, so make sure to click that link below, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.